Okay. Yeah, if I ever sneeze, it's definitely going in.
It'll come later.
It will.
Claire's
Although I
just
just
me off to the side.
taking
so
allergy medications like I'm gonna always look over there. Just know it's Claire. Hey guys, so it's that time of year. It's currently allergy season. Honestly, for those of you who don't have allergies, let me phrase it in a poem for you lucky jerks. Honestly, jerks. My nose is wet, my eyes are dry. I'm praying for a rainy sky. I can't stop sneezing. When I breathe, I'm wheezing. I found a hive. Oh, wait, there's 5. That's just a simple version of much bigger pain. Honestly, you can't really tell right now, but my eyes are so dry and they're so red and it hurts. And it's like, it's more painful than if you were to like stab yourself with an eyeliner pen. It hurts a lot, okay? There's a lot of pain and a lot of annoyances. But I guess I should probably get on topic with the video. Today's video is the different types of sneezes for those people who sneeze a lot like I do. I guess let's get into it. Okay, you can't talk while I'm talking because I can't edit that out. So no singing, so stop singing. Number 1, the normal. This one, we're just gonna be our baseline. It's an average lead up, an average exhale or explosion of snot, as some would call it. It's just the normal. It's pretty much just like this. Number 2, the hesitator. It's the sneeze that never really comes. It's the one where you're stuck there like, oh wait, I gotta sneeze, guys. And so it is probably personally the one that I get the most often and it's the most annoying because you're just stuck there and you know the sneeze is coming, but it's not coming. It's just, worst sneeze. Number 3, the rapid fire machine gun. You gotta say it fast because that's what it is. It's literally exactly what it sounds like. A person just can't stop sneezing and they just keep going and just chew, 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 chew. It's like that. Oh, geez. I swear I've seen someone sneeze like that for a minute. It's like, honestly, they just kept going. They would not stop. And I felt really bad because afterwards they were super dizzy, but honestly, it's kind of weird to watch someone sneeze like rapid fire like that. Number 4, the snotster, or as Claire calls it, the snotter otter. This one is probably the most embarrassing. It's, for those of you who don't have allergies, it's like when you get a cold and you sneeze and literally half of the content of mucus or snot in your nose comes spewing out everywhere. Basically like Niagara Falls with your nose. If you do it in public, it sucks because like most likely you're not within reach of tissues. So you're just stuck there like that. Pass me a tissue. Number 5, the kitten. This one is the most adorable, but it's also the funniest to see someone do. There was this girl in my grade, and this was literally her only sneeze. It literally was like this. Sneeze. Yeah, it sounds like an actual kitten was sneezing. Like, who sneezes like that? Not real people. That's number 6, the screamer/singer. This one, I did a slash for the title because it really depends on how good of a singer the person who sneezes actually is. It's pretty much the opposite of the kitten. The lead up is super small, but when they sneeze, they just let out as much noise as physically possible, which would either end up in a screaming or a whole kind of like falsetto kind of singing thing like that. I really hope I've been doing that. Number 7, the crush sneeze. This one, thanks to Claire for telling me about this because I've never done this before, but it's when you have a crush and you know your sneeze sounds like a living elephant. No. It's when you have a crush and you know your sneeze sounds like an asthmatic elephant. So you try and hold it in as much as possible. It usually ends up like this. Oh crap, they're right there. I have to sneeze though. Yeah, honestly, it's not the greatest idea, mostly because you just end up sounding ridiculous anyway, so what's the point of saying it or doing it? But still, it's being done. Number 8, that's an 8. I did that right, okay.
Just do this.
Oh, 4, number 8, the Great Fiver. In our current elementary, the grade 5ers think it is cool to sneeze like Pikachu. Not just any old sneezes, Pikachu sneezes. They alter their sneezes, training themselves to sound like Pikachu when they sneeze. In case you didn't understand what I meant by Pikachu sneezes. What in their mind made them think that this is cool, we will never know. But still, Pikachu sneezes. That's a thing. Here's what it sounds like.
This sneeze is important.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, guys, get ready. Pikachu! Yes,
Whoa,
nailed
dude,
it!
that was rocking!
Nailed it! Now, special guest Claire doing her paragraph on
The
spy. The spy. Wow, I need to write on my hand better. On the spy sneeze.
Number 9. You can't even do it a 9. Number 9. The spy sneeze. This is the sneeze that I use very often. And this sneeze happens in a common setting. And it usually happens when you're surrounded by people, like lots of people. And because you're surrounded by people, you try to hold in your sneeze so desperately. And you use tricks like the holding your breath trick or the finger under the nose trick, but they never, ever work. And your sneezes end up coming out like an inhuman, garbled mess. And I personally never learn from my mistakes. I try this one over and over and over again. And the results are always humiliating.
Do both versions.
What was that?
That's how it goes, man. I've done it. So, if you like that video, make sure you hit that like button. Write down below what other kind of sneezes you have that are embarrassing or awkward or any kind of sneezes that we forgot to mention. Make sure you subscribe. There are new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And that's it. Bye.
Football players like that a bit of
They
drama.
brought him a chair! Moved by the manager!
Really? How did you miss that?
Well, he did that!
We're gonna give her spoilers, guys.
North Carolina can mess up this shot.
Ah!